Welcome to Garden Art Corner, your go-to destination for creative garden art, decor, and craft inspirations. In today's video, we are sharing 15 stunning rustic garden decor ideas using salvaged old bricks for a small backyard. These charming, budget-friendly concepts will instantly elevate your outdoor space with timeless character and warmth. If you love practical DIY garden ideas, please like, share, comment on your favorite design, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiration. Building a charming pathway edge using salvaged old bricks adds instant vintage character to your small backyard. Stacking the aged bricks diagonally creates a classic sawtooth pattern that holds back soil and mulch effortlessly. This simple DIY project cleanly frames your flower beds with warm red clay tones and earthy textures. It is an affordable way to add structure to compact garden borders without overwhelming your outdoor space. A raised herb spiral crafted from salvaged old bricks maximizes growing space while creating a striking visual centerpiece. The rustic texture of recycled bricks retains natural warmth, helping herbs thrive in distinct microclimates along the spiral. Its compact vertical footprint makes it ideal for small backyard corners or patio borders near your kitchen. You can easily tuck tiny flowering ground covers into the brick crevices for extra organic charm and detail. Transform unused weathered bricks into a cozy circular fire pit ring for relaxing evening outdoor gatherings. Arranging aged, salvaged bricks in a neat circular layout provides a safe and inviting spot for small backyards. The natural patina and moss on reclaimed bricks blend seamlessly with surrounding green lawns and shrubbery. It creates a warm focal point where friends and family can gather comfortably during chilly nights. Lay out a rustic stepping stone path using weathered salvaged bricks embedded directly into your lush green lawn. Spacing the bricks evenly creates an inviting walkway that gracefully guides guests through your small yard. The mossy surfaces of reclaimed clay bricks add an authentic old-world cottage atmosphere to your landscape. This easy layout preserves precious grass while preventing mud in high-traffic zones across your garden. Construct a charming brick pedestal stand to display glowing outdoor lanterns or pillar candles among your flower beds. Stacking reclaimed bricks into a sturdy column adds vertical interest and rustic warmth to low-lying backyard plantings. The rich clay tones contrast beautifully against soft green foliage and delicate flowering plants. It provides a magical nighttime ambiance while adding structural character to compact garden borders. Create a mini succulent garden planter box using arranged salvaged old bricks right on your patio or lawn. Leaving tiny gaps between the bricks provides built-in drainage while holding small sedums and succulents securely. The muted earth tones of vintage clay highlight the varied colors and textures of your succulent collection. This compact display adds a stylish rustic touch without taking up valuable floor space in small yards. Build a small rustic water feature basin lined with weathered, reclaimed bricks for a serene backyard soundscape. Stacking the bricks carefully creates a sturdy rim around a tiny circulating fountain pump and aquatic plants. The gentle murmur of trickling water against aged brick brings a peaceful countryside feel to compact spaces. It attracts local songbirds and butterflies while serving as a mesmerizing garden art focal point. Frame your vibrant flower beds with a simple multi-layer retaining border built from salvaged old bricks. Stacking 2 or 3 rows of weathered bricks creates clean lines while elevating your rich garden soil. The classic weathered look complements both traditional cottage blooms and modern organic landscaping styles. This durable structure keeps soil contained neatly while adding defined architectural lines to small yards. Craft a captivating keyhole-shaped garden bed using stacked salvaged bricks to maximize your available planting area. The circular curve combined with an indented access path creates a comfortable reach for tending your plants. Old weathered bricks retain soil warmth and add a timeless handcrafted look to your overall layout. It serves as an eye-catching design feature that turns a modest backyard into a botanical showcase. Assemble an aged brick pedestal to support a stone or ceramic birdbath right in the center of your backyard. The multi-tiered brick column provides a solid foundation while introducing warm rustic colors to your lawn. Local birds will love visiting this cozy wildlife sanctuary set against your natural garden greenery. It adds structural height and quaint charm to small backyards that need a central art piece. Construct sturdy bench bases using stacked salvaged bricks topped with a thick reclaimed wooden plank seat. This rustic seating element offers a cozy spot to relax while utilizing a minimal footprint in a small yard. The combination of weathered red clay and textured wood creates an authentic and inviting country vibe. It provides function and beauty while blending seamlessly into flower borders or patio corners. Create a space-saving tiered plant display by arranging salvaged bricks into step-like levels along a wall. Placing potted flowers on each brick step adds vibrant layers of color without expanding into lawn space. The rustic brick textures contrast wonderfully with clay pots and lush green hanging foliage. It is a fantastic vertical gardening idea tailored specifically for narrow or compact outdoor areas. Design a short mosaic-style garden walkway incorporating salvaged old bricks interspersed with smooth river pebbles. Laying reclaimed bricks in geometric patterns creates a visually dynamic path across your small backyard. The combination of brick earth tones and natural rounded stones offers rich textures underfoot. This decorative walkway prevents soil erosion while giving your garden a custom artistic finish. Set up a nostalgic garden sundial mounted atop a square column constructed from stacked salvage bricks. The rustic brick pedestal raises the decorative sundial to eye level, creating a charming antique focal point. Surrounded by low-growing perennial flowers, this installation adds historic character to compact green spaces. It serves as an effortless conversation piece that celebrates traditional outdoor garden craftsmanship. build a miniature rustic fairy garden wall enclosure using tiny stacked salvaged bricks around a tree base. This whimsical detail adds playful storytelling and cozy rustic character to a quiet corner of your yard. We hope these rustic garden decor ideas inspire you to transform your small backyard with salvaged old bricks today. Please like, share, leave a comment with your favorite design, subscribe to Garden Art Corner for more crafts, and goodbye until next time.